Samsung is really pushing hard this calm ka 5G narrative, promising super fast speeds, a 50 megapixel main camera for the crystal clear photos, 4 times OS upgrades and a voice focus to eliminate the shore. But in the market flooded with the budget 5G options, is this A06 5G genuinely innovative? Okay, let's start with the big one, 5G. 5G as all we know अब ज़रूरत बन गया है and it's fantastic that this technology is becoming accessible to everyone regardless of their budget. But when we zero in on the Galaxy A06 5G, a crucial question pops up. Is Samsung offering genuine 5G excellence or just enough 5G to tick the box? They are heavily emphasizing highest coverage with those 12 5G bands, claiming it provides coverage even in the remote areas and delivers super fast uploads and download speed. Now let's break down those 12 bands. It's true that having more 5G bands can improve the connectivity. Think of it like this phone has more antenna to catch different 5G signals. However, and this is important, it's not a magic bullet. Just like radio waves, 5G signals can struggle to penetrate into thick walls and metals. So even with the 12 bands, you won't get perfect 5G everywhere. It's about having the best tools for the job, but the environment still plays a huge role. So does the 12 band claim actually translate to consistently superior real world performance compared to the phones with the fewer bands? Is it a genuine advantage or mostly a marketing? What are your experiences with the 5G in your area? Is it living up to the hype? Share your thoughts in the comments. Alright, let's dive into the design. The Galaxy A06 5G sports a simple and clean aesthetic. It's all plastic, which is normal in this price range, making it lightweight and comfortable to hold. The camera bump is surprisingly slim, so it sits stable on the flat surface. It's purely functional. How much do you value the in-hand field and the aesthetics? Are you willing to sacrifice premium materials for practicality? Okay, let's move on to the display. The Galaxy A06 5G features a 6.6-inch LCD panel with the HD Plus resolution. Colors थोड़े से dull हैं, lacking vibrancy. The contrast and the brightness is also average, which can cause visibility issues outdoor में भी, especially in the sunlight. It's okay for the basic task, but not ideal for the immersive multimedia. If you appreciate vibrant colors, sharp visuals and excellent contrast, this might disappoint you. For few 500 to 1000 rupees more, you can get the Galaxy F15 with the Super AMOLED display. Is saving the small amount worth sacrificing the display quality? Now let's dive into the performance. The Galaxy A06 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset. For daily tasks like social media, emails and web browsing, ये ठीक ठाक काम करेगा, but for heavy gaming and multitasking, you will likely encounter lagging issues. It's not for power users. In my extensive testing, I consistently observed that the phone lags a lot. Apps takes a bit longer to load, animations can be choppy, and switching between the apps isn't as seamless as it should be. The A06 5G runs on the Samsung One UI 7.0. Even with the optimizations, the Dimensity 6300 chipset sometimes struggles, causing occasional stutters and delays. Battery-wise, Galaxy A06 5G packs a 5000 mAh battery, while the competing Galaxy F15 offers a larger 6000 mAh battery. The 5000 mAh battery in the A06 5G still delivers दमदार performance. You can comfortably आराम से बिना चार्ज किए पूरा दिन निकाल सकते हैं with moderate use. Now let's dissect the camera. The phone has a 50 megapixel main rear camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. दिन की रोशनी में फोटोज ठीक ठाक आती हैं. However, even in the daylight, details जो है थोड़े से soft होते हैं and colors भी जो है थोड़े muted लगते हैं. In low light, the performance drops significantly. Images become noisier and the detail is lost. The front camera is an 8 megapixel which is adequate for selfies in good lighting, but quality is average overall. It's decent for its price, but not amazing. Alright, let's bring it all together. Samsung promotes the Galaxy A06 5G's 12 5G bands, 4 times OS upgrades, voice focus, and 1.5 terabyte expandable storage. Voice focus comes in, it's designed to cut through the chaos, focusing especially on your voice. And that 1.5 TB claim, it's a bit of stretch. Costly micro SD cards and the rise of the cloud storage make it more of a marketing gimmick than the real world benefit for most of the budget phone users. However, there are compromises. The display is basic, performance is average, and the camera has limitations. The fundamental question is, are you looking for a 5G phone कम से कम price में, or you are willing to invest थोड़ा सा और for a better overall experience? The Samsung Galaxy A06 5G forces trade-offs. तो आखिर में Samsung Galaxy A06 5G क्यों खरीदें? Affordability and 5G? If your budget is tight and 5G is your priority, it's an option. But weigh the pros and cons and consider alternatives. Now I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts? Are the compromises justified by the price? Share your opinions in the comment section below.